I was gonna pack up and leave. I'm wearing yesterday's clothes because today I've got quite the job and it's sweaty. I don't even care. I'll take a shower later, but I emptied all my stuff into the little cabin that we stayed in. So I need to go get some ice, that's why the cooler's still in here. But I'm gonna clean out the back and freshen up a little bit. It needs a good vacuum, a good car wash. So we've got some chores to do today. I figured I'd take you along and also give you a tour of the Trailblazer, current tour, before we start making big changes. Hi, my name is Diane and I live in my 2004 Chevy Trailblazer. In this video, I give you a full tour and we clean some things out a little bit. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, we were at the car wash and yeah, not one of those ones that you do it yourself. Alright, nice and vacuumed. Whoa. It's a crazy day. It's dirty. But I wanted to show you guys what I did in the Trailblazer. There's still some stuff in it. And tomorrow I will load everything up. It's basically empty. Brucey, don't be running out here. There might be cars. It's basically empty. I gotta go buy some Windex, but I basically cleaned all the door panels. I need to get a new door panel for the driver's side. And yeah, so it's all nice and clean. And I'm gonna switch the bed over. I'm gonna put the bed behind the driver's seat so I can put the passenger seat up and put the cooler in a lot easier. Alright, so here's everything empty. So I put the cooler behind the passenger seat and I believe it's gonna have more room because I was able to move the passenger seat. Got easy access kitchen stuff. There's a little stove in there. I'm gonna put this down there, but I gotta put some stuff in here. It's hot as heck. It's not even hot, it's just humid. But I got the kitchen stuff set up and my toiletry drawer. I'm finally putting my laundry away from the other day. But I'm gonna put my laundry away and we're almost done here and I'll show you the whole setup. Doing laundry on the road is very interesting. You kind of wait until all your clothes are dirty to do laundry. So you're not wasting time and money. Everything I own can basically fit in one load, minus if I'm doing my bedding and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna fold. I put my shorts up here. I do tops and bottoms, and then I put all my underwear and stuff up here. So I'm gonna close the back, but this is what it looks like. I can't open the hatch with the tow hitch rack that I have, but I don't need to. I can open up the window and get to my clothes if I need to, and I can still get to them from the inside. There's still a little bit of space to open the drawers, but let me show you what it looks like. We've got clothes, my bow, and everything. When I don't have to take anything and put it out of the car. I can put my bow up there and all my other stuff in the front seat when I want to get in the back. It's not that big of a deal. Alright, I realized that I didn't show you what was in the box. I carry my stove and oil, coolant, some other tools, my little oven, and basically some dry goods, some dry food in here. Sorry, I closed it up too fast before I could show you guys. And I gotta get going. It's getting pretty hot, so I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Okay, we have my stove, some coolant, motor oil, a table, my oven, some stop leak, basically my pantry, and some cleaning supplies, lighter fluid, bathroom cleaner, kitchen stuff. That's what goes in here. Alright, we are leaving the area. I'm going to Dallas.